दोस्तों नमस्कार सत श्री अकाल ताशी दिले सलाम नी हाओ और hello to all our viewers across the world. So hello दोस्तों.
राम राम.
Hello.
Wait. Sorry. We start now. Now we have to start over.
Okay. Hello. Okay.
Ni hao. Ram ram.
So दोस्तों you're welcome to our new vlog और आज हम हेलगरुआ में हैं एंड लीसा आपको हेलगरुआ की के बारे में कुछ बताएंगी.
Yeah, so now we are in a small place like a village outside of Larvik. It has a historical history because here a king called Olav the Holy was having a fight with the Vikings because he wanted to Christian Norway. So this was the start of the Christianity of Norway, and I think it happened around year 1000. To symbolize that, they have built up a statue made out of stone that they only have here in Larvik. It's called Larvikit, and they have made it to look like a cross. When we go to the other side, we will film the cross because it's more visible from a distance.
तो मैं आपको भी दिखाता हूँ. ये जो लीसा ने हमें बताया कि ये हेलगरुआ एक बड़ा यूनिक प्लेस है नॉर्वेजियन हिस्ट्री में, क्योंकि यहाँ पर एक ओलाफ नेम्ड, क्योंकि यूरोप जो था उस समय मोर और लेस क्रिश्चियन बन चुका था और नॉर्वे में यहाँ वाइकिंग रहते थे और वो लोग अपना फेथ फॉलो करते थे. तो ऐसा मानते हैं, यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है कि वो ओलाफ लेड एन आर्मी हियर एंड वांटेड टू स्प्रेड क्रिश्चियनिटी. तो यहाँ पे जो लोकल चीफ्स थे वाइकिंग्स, वो सब ने मिलके उसका मुकाबला किया इस जगह पे और वो इस मुकाबले में हार गए, जिसकी वजह से ओलाफ का यहाँ पे रूल शुरू हुआ और पूरा जो नॉर्वे था ग्रेजुअली क्रिश्चियन बनना शुरू हुआ. तो ये आप एक क्रॉस देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे, और ये यहाँ पर एक छोटा सा हार्बर भी है. यहाँ पर यू कैन सी अ लॉट ऑफ बोट्स एंड ये एक वेरी नाइस रेस्टोरेंट. मैं यहाँ पे पहले अपने लीसा के फादर के साथ आया हुआ हूँ. आप देख सकते हैं एक शायद बाइकर्स भी आए हुए हैं यहाँ पे बहुत सारे, और ये कुछ बोट्स दिख रहे हैं. इस वेदर में बहुत सारे लोग अपनी बोट्स लेके जाते हैं ओशन में. यस.
So this is a place where it kind of triples their citizens in the summer because a lot of people come here for vacation.
तो लीसा बता रही हैं कि ये जो टाउन है इसकी आबादी लगभग 3 गुना बढ़ जाती है समर्स में, क्योंकि यहाँ पे बहुत सारे टूरिस्ट्स आते हैं, जिसकी वजह से यहाँ लोकल आबादी जो है वो 3 गुना हो जाती है. आज हम यहाँ से हेलगरुआ से अपनी जो हाइकिंग ट्रिप या ट्रैकिंग ट्रिप है वो शुरू करेंगे एंड वी विल गो अलोंग द कोस्ट to a place called Navlungan through Molen. Molen एक बड़ा ही यूनेस्को हेरिटेज साइट है, काफ़ी फेमस जगह है नॉर्वे की, और हम उसमें वो भी आपको दिखाएंगे, वो रास्ते में पड़ेगा. और we'll go to this Navlungan जहाँ पे एक बहुत अच्छी बेकरी है, और उस बेकरी में आज हम what are we going to eat in the bakery? Are the famous cakes, right?
Famous cakes, and they also have very good like buns with salmon.
Yeah.
Many different things.
सो ये आप पार्किंग प्लेस देख रहे हैं। अच्छा, यहाँ पे ये जो पी साइन पोस्ट लगा हुआ है, इस पे यूजुअली लिखा होता है कि कितने घंटे की पार्किंग फ्री अलाउड है। तो यहाँ पे सिर्फ 2 घंटे की पार्किंग अलाउड थी, तो हमने अपनी गाड़ी वो डिस्टेंस में इसके जो बगल में जो पार्किंग स्पॉट है वहाँ पे खड़ी की है, जहाँ पे पेड पार्किंग है। लेकिन इट्स बेटर बिकॉज हमें नहीं पता, हम शायद 3 घंटे लगेंगे हमें आज ये पूरा ट्रैक ख़त्म करने में, और यहाँ सिर्फ 2 घंटे पार्किंग अलाउड है। दिस इज़ द व्यू फ्रॉम हियर एंड ब्रिग कैंटीन। एंड ये देखिए, ये हेलगरुआ जहाँ पर अभी हम हैं, और हम जाएंगे नावलुंगहन जो 6.4 किलोमीटर्स दूर है यहाँ से वन वे, और मोलन जिसका मैंने अभी आपको बताया कि यूनेस्को हेरिटेज साइट है, तो वहाँ पे हम जाएंगे पहले, तो वो लगभग आधे डिस्टेंस पे है। इट्स अ beautiful sunny day or perfect weather for walking and trekking. So a lot of people are out walking today along the coast.
We'll see you at Malin.
Yeah, so we see you now at Malin. Or what is it that they are doing here?
Actually, I think there has been a problem with the boat sinking here.
Oh.
So I think they are trying to get that up.
Okay. Yeah, so here we are now at a camping place. So Lisa will tell us a little about this.
Yeah, so this is very common for some people that they buy this campers and they move and stay here, for example, from May till September, October, it depends on the weather. And then they can go swimming, and they, you know, they used to be like a little camper with a tent in front. Now people have built like little houses, and they live here the whole summer.
तो लीसा बता रहे हैं कि ये जगह जो है समर्स में भर जाती है, यहाँ पे लोग आते हैं समर अपनी स्पेंड करने के लिए, और यहाँ पे स्विमिंग के लिए देखिए एक बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल बीच है। यहाँ लोग वॉक भी कर सकते हैं, स्विम भी कर सकते हैं, साइकिलिंग के लिए भी ट्रैक है। Yeah. So now we have reached Molen, right? It's a UNESCO heritage site.
Yeah.
Very popular amongst trekkers and hikers. And it's a very unique landscape. Lisa will tell you a little about it.
Yeah, it's a 15 million nature history. So all of this that we are coming to now was made during the ice age. So what can I say? This we call it the Ra. It goes all the way from Finland, Sweden, and far down to Norway. It's a very popular place, and I have to tell you a story, because when Amit came here to Norway the first time, I was like, what can I show him? So I was bragging about this place. And when he came, and he was so disappointed, because, you know, India has Taj Mahal. We have this. So this has become like a joke between us.
Look at this place. You know, the sea is very calm. This is the Skagerrak Sea, right?
Yeah, so it goes straight to Denmark from here.
So this is the sea that extends all the way to Denmark, and in England or around Britain it's called the North Sea. This here, when it's along the Norwegian coast, it's called Skagerrak Sea. So tell us a little more. What is written here?
Yeah, so these stones were brought here by the glacier. I think it says 15 millions. No, it says 12,750 years ago. When the ice started. If Amit moves the camera, there are all these different stones that you can find here.
Ah, different types of stones,
Yeah.
as you can see. So let's try and explain one of them, for example. That looks very interesting. What is this?
This is called Alun Schiefer. So it says it's from, they found it from Skien Porsgrunn, which is very close to here. And they think it's 510 million years old.
Wow, wow. So you mean all these different types of stones are found here?
Yeah.
Okay. So you can see we have come here often in the past. Sometimes the waves are really big and it's very noisy here. You can't even hear each other when you're close to the sea. But it's a very interesting place. And हम लोगों को यहाँ से stones अपने घर ले जाना allowed नहीं है. Right? We are not allowed to pick stones from here.
No.
Right?
It's you will probably only get a fine, but it's but people keep that they don't take stones. I don't know. I just saw a woman who did, but
No, she's picking berries.
oh, she's picking berries.
Yeah. She didn't pick the stones. Do you want to walk this way or that way? I think that way.
Yeah, we'll walk on the path.
So I will show you the. और अगर आप गिर जाते हो यहाँ पे तो मेरे ख्याल से काफ़ी नुकसान होगा. हम यहाँ पर जब मैं शुरू में आया था नॉर्वे तो हम यहाँ पर पिकनिक के लिए आया करते थे.
Yeah, in the autumn we will go here again and film how the sea is, because
Yeah.
that is amazing to me.
Yeah. ये देखिए आप. And people come and pluck these kind of berries. Oh, you're plucking blueberries
Not blueberries.
then?
It's something else. Hva var det heter?
So what is this?
Slope. We are making liquor
Oh, from
for
this?
Christmas. Yes.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
But they look like blueberries.
Yeah,
And
but they are bigger,
I see.
much bigger, than
Oh.
and harder in a way. Yeah.
Okay. So this is used for making Norwegian wine.
Liquor.
Oh, liquor.
Liquor.
Yeah.
Very high, 60%.
Oh boy.
40, 60. Yeah.
Okay. Good luck.
Thank you.
Yeah. Oh, so this is the berry season now, right?
Yeah, remember.
This is for making liquor.
Yeah, that's what I.
Makes a very red liquor.
Red.
Christmas.
Ah.
Very nice red.
But it's blue colored. You know, that's
Yeah.
strange.
Yeah.
Is it possible to taste
Yeah.
one?
Well, it might be a lot of color. I don't think it's very good to eat. You put it with vodka and sugar. And
It's
let
not
it
bad.
Let it sit for some months.
It's
Yeah.
not bad at all.
No,
actually.
but it's not very common here either.
Ah,
It's just for kind of like a fun thing for Christmas, since it makes this very nice red color.
wow. You can see that from close up. See? Wow. But not these red ones, right?
No, that's something different.
Okay. Tastes a bit like a raw grape.
Red grape.
Yeah, but it has a seed inside, very hard shell. I actually never noticed these blueberries. I thought they were.
No, because probably they haven't been blue when we have been here before.
Could be, yeah. So.
Maybe we should tell them that I bought new shoes,
Oh yeah.
and then they are a little tight.
So Lisa is struggling to walk now because she just bought a new pair of shoes. They were right size, but somehow they are
Not right size.
not fitting her very well, and she feels very uncomfortable walking. And it's been a long walk actually, and rather up and down. So this is what this looks like actually. सो फ्रेंड्स, आप देखिए अब हम एक और पिकनिक स्पॉट पे आ चुके हैं मॉलोन में, और यहाँ से आपको मैं बर्ड्स आई इसे कह सकते हैं क्योंकि हम एक छोटे से रॉक पे खड़े हुए हैं पत्थर पे, और वो दूर आपको एक कंटेनर शिप दिखाई दे रहा होगा, दूर से शायद डेनमार्क से आ रहा है, और बहुत सारे लोग आए हुए हैं यहाँ पे कुछ पिकनिक करने के लिए। और वो जो आउट इन द डिस्टेंस आपको दिखाई दे रहा है ना, दैट्स अनदर कैंपिंग साइट। हम अभी वहाँ पे जाएंगे और उसको क्रॉस करेंगे तो वी विल रीच नावलोंगहान, जहाँ पे एक बड़ी पॉपुलर बेकरी है। सो दिस इज़ व्हाट दिस प्लेस लुक्स लाइक। You could see Lisa was struggling with her shoe.